This video is a step-by-step guide to creating a CorelView infobase and deploying it to your mobile device. Please note that the CorelView software, which will be downloaded from SourceForge, requires Java to be installed on your PC. If Java is not already installed on your PC, you can download it for free. Just Google Java Download. It only takes a few minutes to install. Once you have saved the CorelView zip file downloaded from SourceForge on your desktop, you can right-click on it and unzip it by selecting Extract All from the menu. In the unzipped folder which is displayed, double-click on the CorelView_pod.jar file. If you accept the warranty disclaimer and software conditions, click on the I accept the disclaimer button. Type in the new infobase name and click Open this infobase. In row 2, type in the column headers for your infobase contents. In row 1, type in names for the info items in your infobase. The numbered prefixes will make it easier for you when you are defining your infobase structure in the pod structure worksheet. If you want to deploy data to your mobile device, you can capture it from row 3 down. Always leave column A blank, as CorelView uses that column as a pointer column. Now that you have defined your infobase contents, click on the Pod Structure Worksheet tab to begin defining your infobase structure. For any info item that is a drop-down list, type the list values in column D, starting at the row directly below the info item. If necessary, rows can be inserted before the text row. Now you can specify the info item type for each info item. In cell C2, type in the header description of the list that will be displayed on your mobile device. In cell D2, type in the info items and separation characters that will make up the contents of the list, which will be displayed on your mobile device. The tilde character is used to separate the components of the list content. You will find the tilde character on the top left-hand key of your keyboard. Now that you have defined your infobase structure, click on the Page 00 Worksheet tab to begin defining the layout of the info item details page that will be displayed on your mobile device. You can either type in an info item header or select the info item from the drop-down list. The page must have a save line. The last step in defining your infobase is to specify the line types. A display item is just displayed on the mobile device and cannot be edited. Your infobase has been defined and you can save it and close it. Click the Take it with you button. If an error message is displayed, open the infobase by clicking on the Open an Infobase button and check the Infobase Structure Report worksheet for details of the error. Browse to the My CorelView Infobases folder. If your email account is set up through Outlook, you can right-click on the CorelPod file and select Email Recipient from the Send To menu and send the file to your mobile device. Alternatively, you could send a Gmail or any other mail to your mobile device with the CorelPod file attached. When the email is received on your mobile device, tap on the attachment. The first time you open a CorelPod file attachment on your mobile device, the Complete Actions screen will be displayed. Make sure that the CorelView icon is highlighted and tap Always. The infobase will then open in CorelView. Tap the Add button to add an info item. That's how you take your Infobase with you.